So many people are aware that most of your physical body changes over the 7-year period. Many of us have heard this being talked about. So then the question comes is, why do we have pain that doesn't go away? It's nonsensical, right? Could it be because the body has a memory, right? Is it possible that we actually have subtle energy bodies that we need to look at first, right? And in order to understand why do we have something that people talk about or call cellular memories, because, and why do things not shift if the physical body is constantly transforming? So science has no real explanation for how memory works. And that's why it is very important, and I teach about this a lot, that we understand that pain is a sensation which occurs inside the astral body. So the physical body is not the body that has pain or carries pain, but it is the astral body.